It's a 5-liter Ford Coyote engine, which is a modern engine that goes in their Mustang GTs with the Edelbrock Supercharged, which gains you 200 to 300 horsepower, topping out over 700 horsepower or 600 pounds of torque.
This engine, of course, has got a really big air filter to keep up with that supercharger.
We had to go away from the traditional suspension, so we used an aftermarket front coilover suspension. Also driveline, we incorporated in there a Tremec 6-speed, so basically the engine compartment and tunnel all had to be modified, customized, and fitted in.
We keep working towards the back of the car and making a new tunnel to fit that drive shaft.
It's a V8, it's a 5-liter. With a supercharger on there, it really has that loud tone, and then with that, we married in a custom set of headers, X-pipe, and exhaust system. It really has a loud, rumbling tone to it.
Hooked you up with electronic cutouts, and those will dump right before the X-pipe, and then they'll be electronic actuated. A little flapper in there that opens up, makes it really loud.
Everything is upgraded. The car will look like a '69. It will drive like a $1 million race car.